2022. For me, a year of new. New skills, new adventures. New chance to get out of my comfort zone. The year I was finally gonna be successful. And then it happened. I failed. I failed a lot. Those failures weren't final though. They showed me I was doing something wrong. So I adjusted. I began taking steps towards becoming the person I wanted to be and stop comparing myself to others. I learned to accept myself, my failures and all. In 2022, God gifted me with a new heart and a new spirit. I tried something new.